let's shine some pennies. Now there's something special about these pennies and the dates that we can find on them. For example, this one is from 1968. And this one is from 1996. Believe it or not, after 1982, there is less copper used in our pennies. Well, when it comes to shining pennies, we need all the copper we can get because copper can be quite shiny. To shine up your pennies, you are going to need some vinegar and some salt. Something else you can do on the side for a while is to put a penny in just vinegar. Now, we don't have time for it today, but if you put a penny in just vinegar, it actually starts to turn green. Yeah, it actually turns into malachite. Now, when we look at our pennies, we have all of this copper oxide. That's our copper hitting oxygen, air, right? And it makes all of this brown gunk. Let's try and get some of that copper oxide off. I'm going to put it by vinegar. And we're going to put in our salt. This chemical reaction will come together and support our shining. Again, is that copper oxide that we're trying to get rid of. Okay. So here comes that 1968 penny. Okay, so again, that one has more copper in it. It was created before 1982. And here is that 1996 penny. Less copper. Now, you usually only need about 30 seconds to shine up those pennies. And I'm already seeing a change. Let's see if you see it too. Okay. Let's see what we did. There's that 1968 penny again. Really shiny, really pretty. There's that 1996 one. Can you see the difference? Crazy. So if you would like, you could go through all those pennies you have laying around at home and you can shine them up and make them look like almost gold, right? You can see that copper color, but it really shines. And maybe you could trick some relatives of yours to think that they have some gold lying around the house too. Thanks for joining me, guys. Have fun experimenting.